I have here a precision screwdriver set that I'm going to go ahead and open up, show you all of the stuff that it comes with, then I'm going to test it out so you can see just how well it works. So you can see all of the different pieces that it comes with. Take everything out so we can have a nice up close look at all the pieces. So you can see we've got 3 different sets of bit holders here, and they're all removable so you can take them out so you can have easy access to them here. So these are all the different bits that it comes with. It's going to have all your standard Phillips and flat and Allens, plus some Torx, some Ys, some of the tiny bits as well for like some of the cell phones. And here we've got a suction cup for removing the cell phone screens or anything else that has a screen that you need to pop off, as well as a SIM card pin. We've got some guitar picks for prying things apart without leaving too much damage. Some tweezers right here, as well as some plastic pry bars of quite a few different sizes and styles here. These are all different style of pry bars. There's a little brush right there. Then we've got a magnetizer and demagnetizer here. And then right here is going to be the actual screwdriver that holds all the different bits. So just a couple of extra things about the screwdriver itself here. Down here on the tip, there's a little magnet. So it's going to hold this bit in place so it's not going to fall out. This is also nice anti-slip silicone, all this black stuff right here. And then up here at the top, you can see this little piece actually rotates. So I can actually hold it and rotate, so when you're spinning, you can keep that tight and against your hand and you can still twist without hurting your hand. All of these pieces are of a nice high quality. The plastic is good. This metal is going to last for a long time on these bits, so you're not going to have to worry about them getting ruined if you're stripping things. So it's going to make sure you have this set for a long time. So this set is really nice. You've got these rubber pieces here that these bits all slip into, and they're nice and marked so you can tell what is what. So they're going to stay in a nice organized manner. And when you've got everything put away and you've got it all closed up, it's nice and compact, so you could take it in like a backpack or a briefcase or even your purse, and then you'd always have this with you when you needed it. So I've got a phone here. I'm going to go ahead and take this apart using the screwdriver. So it has 2 little teeny screws down here at the bottom. There's one. And both screws out. Now I'm going to grab the suction cup and we're going to lift the display off the rest of the frame. So this display should just peel right off now. And you can see it's starting to separate. I can help it along here. I want to be careful so I don't damage the display. But there we go, just like that. I'm able to open up this phone. So I finished doing the repair work on the inside of this phone. So I can just go ahead and close it all back up. I can put those 2 screws back in and it will be ready to use. Okay, so it's time to put these 2 screws back in. It's really nice. This has got a little bit of magnet to it, so these little teeny screws will actually stick to the screwdriver, so I don't have to worry about losing them. Makes it really easy to put them back in and tighten them up. So this precision screwdriver set is going to be perfect for anybody that likes to work on little electronics or constantly has little glasses or watches, things like that need to be repaired, and they don't want to have somebody else do it, just want to do it yourself. It's going to have all the pieces you need to open things up, put them back together. It's got many different types of screws, and it's nice and small so you can take it with you. So I'd recommend this to anybody that likes to do those kinds of things or wants to fix their own mistakes.